Hey, what's up, buddy? Today I'm gonna do a unboxing of a new watch that I just got today. Let's see if it says on the box what it is. Men's Archive, something with bracelet. I don't know what that means, but this is the new Bulova reissue dive watch, the Oceanographer. A lot of people call it the Devil Diver because it's got a water depth rating of 666 feet. But the actual name, I believe, is the Bulova Oceanographer. So let's go ahead and open up and take a look. Pretty basic packaging here. This is kind of beat up. That's probably Amazon's fault. I'm always hope this is the right watch because that name kind of seemed a little bit odd, but let's see how this opens up. Oh, that looks right. Doing this behind the camera is kind of difficult. Let's pull it out and take a good look at it. Get the desiccant package out of there. Pretty basic Bulova box. Not bad. Oh, finger stuck there. Wow, looks awesome. Let me see if I can take it off this pillow and clean off some of this. That pillow's got a lot of gunk coming off of it, like fabric coming off onto it. Let's see if this looks better. Okay, that looks better. Wow, that is beautiful. What a pretty watch. So there's the snorkel, 666 feet depth rating. Ceramic insert, blue and orange. Obviously an automatic movement with a date magnifying window. It's already ticking away. Let's see how it sounds. Not bad. Sure everything lines up. Perfect. That looks pretty lined up to me. Maybe slightly to the right a little bit, but compared to most of my Seikos, that's pretty good. Comes on a Jubilee bracelet, which I like, super comfortable. Let's see what this tag says. It's just the model number, Bulova, sapphire glass. It's got the sapphire glass, automatic movement. I think it's a Miyota movement, I think, if I remember correctly. I didn't say on the bottom here, so you can see without. Yeah, the camera's not going to focus on that. Below Japanese movement, something pretty standard bracelet. My wife just let the dogs in, so they're probably going to jump in here. But, well, looks nice. I might do a review on this later on. But I like it. I love the colors. Get it sized up and take a look. Thanks for watching.